So I'm just curious for those that are able to attend this really important MBD session, model-based definition, on October the 17th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is it, Savan, that you've seen that causes companies to have hiccups? Is it more that manual process that they're not able to fully transform into like a more of a digital downstream process? What's a common, I guess, common error that you see with companies as it relates to not being able to effectively leverage, downstream processes, specifically within, MBD as an example?
Yeah, really, error is not even the correct word. We are accustomed to doing things the way we always have, and that is that the 2D drawing is the master. It is what tells the truth. And because it's just a 2D drawing, everyone that touches that drawing is having to redo a certain amount of work. What MBD allows us to do, what model-based definition allows us to do, is to transform into model-based enterprises where the model is the single source of truth. Not only is it the source of truth, but that information, because it's contained in the digital environment, can easily be reused. It's kind of like a Windows copy and paste. You're able to basically click a button in an X, in whichever module of an X, analysis, CMM, manufacturing. You're able to essentially say, hey, I want to reuse the information that's provided, and therefore shortening the amount of work that you have to do.
Awesome. Well, Savan, we look forward to your presentation on October the 17th at 11:30 a.m. with our friends at the VMA.